Welcome to this information video created by some of the AI systems and human intelligence from the BJTM3033 Manufacturing System Engineering A. And the group member is 276957 POR ENG CHOO, 281232, TAN HUA YEW, 281386, LIM YEE LING, 281922, WONG POOI SZE. Let's continue our video presentation about the conveyor system in the material handling system. The game changers in material handling solutions. In this script, we will explore various types of conveyor systems and provide detailed examples of their applications across different industries. Narrator. In the world of material handling, efficient transportation of goods is crucial for productivity and operational excellence. Conveyor systems offer a seamless solution for streamlining operations, optimizing workflow, and ensuring the smooth movement of goods. Let's delve into the different types of conveyor systems and their wide-ranging applications. The roller conveyor is one of the most commonly used types of conveyor systems. It consists of a series of rollers mounted on a frame, allowing goods to be moved either by gravity or powered mechanisms. Roller conveyors are ideal for handling medium to heavy loads, such as pallets or large containers. They are extensively employed in industries like manufacturing, distribution, and logistics. For example, in a manufacturing facility, roller conveyors efficiently transport automotive components from one workstation to another during the assembly process. The components glide effortlessly on the rollers, reducing manual handling and ensuring a steady workflow. Skate wheel conveyors are another popular type, especially for handling light to medium weight materials. They feature small wheels or skate wheels mounted on axles, providing a smooth surface for items to glide upon. Skate wheel conveyors are highly flexible and easy to install, making them suitable for temporary setups or rapid deployment scenarios. In e-commerce warehouses, skate wheel conveyors efficiently transport small packages, enabling quick sorting and distribution. The packages slide effortlessly along the skate wheels, allowing for efficient order fulfillment and smooth material flow. Belt conveyors utilize a continuous belt loop to move items along a path. They are versatile and can handle a wide range of products, from small components to bulky goods. Belt conveyors are commonly found in airports, manufacturing facilities, and distribution centers, where the ability to handle diverse items is crucial. For example, in an airport baggage handling system, belt conveyors transport luggage from check-in counters to the aircraft. The continuous belt ensures a steady flow of bags, reducing the chance of mishandling and ensuring efficient baggage handling operations. In-floor tow line conveyors offer a unique solution for material handling within a facility. They consist of an embedded track system within the floor, with tow line vehicles pulling materials along the designated route. This type of conveyor system is suitable for assembly lines, where products move between workstations and can be customized for specific production needs. For example, in automotive manufacturing plants, in-floor tow line conveyors efficiently transport vehicle chassis from one station to another during the assembly process. The tow line vehicles securely tow the chassis, ensuring precise movement and optimized workflow throughout the production line. Overhead trolley conveyors utilize an elevated track system, with trolleys suspended from the track to carry goods. This type of conveyor is often used for painting lines, assembly lines, or transporting heavy components in manufacturing environments. In automotive manufacturing facilities, overhead trolley conveyors play a critical role in the assembly of vehicles. The trolleys move along the overhead track, transporting various parts and components to the assembly stations. This ensures a smooth and efficient production process, minimizing manual handling and improving productivity. Cart-on-track conveyors employ carts or platforms that move along a fixed track. This type of conveyor system is popular in warehouses, where items can be loaded onto carts and transported to different areas for sorting or distribution. For example, in a distribution center, cart-on-track conveyors are used to transport goods from the picking area to the packaging and shipping areas. The carts move seamlessly along the track, eliminating the need for manual carrying and optimizing the order fulfillment process. In conclusion, conveyor systems revolutionize material handling by improving efficiency and enhancing. That is all from us.